If you often work outside or drive, you must need a tool that can keep you connected anytime and anywhere, and that is this Bluetooth walkie-talkie headset. No matter where you are, you can quickly and conveniently communicate by voice. Its operation is very simple. You can answer the call with just a tap of your finger. It is really convenient. The small body design is also very beautiful, and the sound quality is also very clear. It also has a super long battery life, so you can use it for a long time. With it, you will no longer be afraid of not being able to contact others when you go out. Buy it now and try it out. Next, I will show you the details of the fuselage. If you have any questions, you can leave a message and contact us at any time. Our team will respond as soon as we see the message.